Good morning, guys. Today we are going to make dal makhani. Dal makhani is a lentils, the black urad dal, and we use the rajma. So it is basically the lentils cooked with the heavy cream. So it's kind of very creamy and it is very good. So to begin with, I have already this is the already the soaked dal and rajma, which I have over the night soaked it, and I have pressure cooked it for about 15 minutes. So the lentils and the rajma is all cooked. I have kept it aside. It is all pressure cooked and kept it now. What ingredients we will be using is that yeah, that's the rajma. Ingredients we will be using is that onion, the ginger garlic paste, tomato paste, and chili powder, bay leaves. And so to begin with, we are going to start our cooking now. Instead of using oil, I am going to use the clarified butter or ghee. I am going to put about 2-3 teaspoons of ghee. I will let it come to boiling point. I can see the aroma of ghee coming. I am going to add the bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, I am going to cook till the aroma comes. I'm going to put the green chilies, going to add the onion, I'm going to cook till it is golden brown or little bit translucent, till the oil comes out, because this will become the base of that lentils. I am cooking on high heat. The onion is already translucent. Now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste. I will cook the ginger garlic paste and the onion till the raw smell of the garlic goes out. Well, it seems it is cooked well now. Now I am going to add about 2 cups of tomato paste. You can see that the tomato, onion, ginger, garlic is all cooked now. To this I am going to add a little bit of red chili powder. Mix it well. To this mixture, I am going to add the lentils and the kidney beans. I am going to add some salt. I am going to add a teaspoon of salt. Going to mix it well. Basically the lentils are kind of a little bit slimy, so you have to really watch out while you cook. It should not stick to the pan. I am going to add a little bit of garam masala. And mix it well. You can see that it is boiling. I don't want it to boil let it cook in high heat. So what I am going to do, as I was telling you, the oil gets, the lentils get slimy, and I am going to slow cook it for 15-20 minutes. I am going to add a cup of water. Again, mix it well. Reduce your fire to sim and let it cook in a slow heat for about 15-20 minutes. Once it is cooked, after 15-20 minutes, we are going to add the cream, the fresh cream, and also going to add the kasuri methi, the dried fenugreek leaves. But that is the second part. First, we'll let it cook for 15-20 minutes, slow cook, because slow cooking lentils are really much tastier than cooking into the high heat. So I will let it cook for 15-20 minutes. Well, it's almost like 20 minutes now. I'm going to check how does it look. You can see that I can smell the very good aroma of the lentils. It is being cooked with all the spices. Just make sure that it does not stick to the base, because when it gets slimy and thick, it tends to stick to the base. That won't be good. So keep on stirring for a while, and I will let it cook for a few more minutes before we go to the second stage of making dal makhani. I will again cover it. It is all well cooked. Now you can see the lentils and the kidney beans cooked well. It took almost like 30 minutes to come to this stage. At this stage, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of heavy cream, and I am going to keep 1 teaspoon for topping, which I will do later. I am going to mix it well. You can see the creaminess of the lentils now. I can smell the aroma. I mix it well. Make sure you just choose the consistency which you need. I like the thick consistency, so I just keep it like that. To this, the final thing I will be adding are 2 things. One is a little bit of garam masala. Then the next thing I will be adding is the crushed dried fenugreek leaves. It's all added. It's all ready, and I will cover it. There are 2 options. Either you can serve it like that, or you can, to have a smoky flavor, you can add a dungar method, which I will show you later. This is all ready to serve. I am burning the charcoal for the dungar method of. Make sure the charcoal is all red, almost red. I am going to place this on a small bowl and pour some oil in it, and I will let it sit inside the dal and immediately cover it, so the smoky flavor will come. Put that on the fire, but it is turned off. I will let it rest for 1 minute. 1 minute has passed. I am going to take it out. I will take the charcoal out, and I am going to stir it while